You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary, including from fashion, brand names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you want to listen to and learn from. Sheer bikini, how to pronounce in English. Sheer bikini, English pronunciation, sheer bikini. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.